Good morning, everyone. This is the Med City CPA, and I am doing a 2-minute video series, try to get some helpful hints out there to everyone, things I find interesting through the Form 1040, reading through the instructions, the publications that the IRS publishes. Before we get started, let's hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Please, for the love of God, I'm trying to get this channel up and going. Please hit subscribe. Very much appreciated. So here we got today, in less than 2 minutes, I'm going to go through the Taxpayer Advocate Services is here to help you. What is the Taxpayer Service Advocate or Taxpayer Advocate Service? It's an independent organization within the IRS that helps taxpayers and protect taxpayers' rights. Our job is to ensure that every taxpayer is treated fairly and that you know and understand your rights under a Taxpayer Bill of Rights. So I'm reading through the instructions of the Form 1040. So what can they do for you? They can help you if your problem is causing financial difficulty for you, your family, or your business. You face or your business is facing an immediate threat of adverse action. You've tried repeatedly to contact the IRS, but no one has responded, or the IRS hasn't responded by the date promised. How can you reach the Taxpayer Advocate Service? Well, in every state, they have offices, they have a number, they have a website, they do a fantastic job. So here's sources to reach out, and if you need help, I'll include a link in the description below. There's also how else can they help taxpayers? They have just a whole broad of issues. There's a link right here. So if you need help or what have you, this is a great source. If I just go ahead and click on one of these links, they do really a fantastic job. So this has been Med City CPA. I'm almost out of my 2-minute window here. Please hit subscribe. Thank you and have a good morning.